Alright. You go 4th of July fireworks. Oh, I'm up here.
But you're recording?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see it better. Alright, this is the best I can zoom.
I'm a patriotic firework.
Alright, we got a lot of firework action here. Alright. Wait, should I get my glow sticks? Should I get them? If this was live, I would have asked chat, but this is not live. I wish it was.
I'm gonna go catch.
Alright.
I'm gonna go catch some more.
Alright.
I always slip. That was scary. Oh my god.
Are you coming back? Alright. They're catching something. Let's go see.
We caught a shrimp. She caught a shrimp. What's a shrimp?
Yeah, but we.
Yeah, I think I held it. It's dead.
No,
it's fine. The shrimp is almost cold. Look at all those killies.
There is a lot.
Can I try? No, I just got them all. Okay, after you doing that, I'm trying for the couple to come in. It's called a spool. Yeah, but just keep it in. What was that? A crab!
Where?
No, it's too deep. It'll come back up.
Oh.
It'll get attracted by the light. Wait, get that. That's a shrimp.
Watch.
I got a shrimp!
You did?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me put
I
the light
found
on
a
it
shrimp on
and
the
come
net.
away from the dock, girls.
So I
Put it on the
just
camera.
grab
Put it on the camera.
Grab it.
He's alive.
Oh, can you put the flash on?
Hopefully he doesn't jump. Yeah, there we go. That's
We'll
better
get
for our
away from
fans.
the dock.
That's cool.
So
Yeah.
tap the bottom
Hold
of it.
on,
Yeah.
we got
Yeah.
top this shrimp.
See if he wiggles.
We caught a shrimp. Can I catch something now? Hold on, can I borrow that? I'm going. Hold on. I didn't catch a fish. No, come on.
Alright.
I didn't get it for a little time. Okay, but like you just got a shrimp. Hold on. Do I need a
Dude, there's a lot.
another shrimp? There's a shrimp on the net. Now.
Oh, that.
Now.
Can I please catch one?
There's like some on the top we could possibly catch. I need to catch one too. I need to catch one too. No, I'll be good. I'll put my phone down. You can just record. Yeah.
That's shrimp. I'm looking for. That's
I want to catch one. After Juliana.
I would catch this right there.
Wow, that's a lot. Look at that.
You can have that back. I would hold on, but. I'm looking for
Over there on the top.
Look!
Oh yeah, you might not be able to reach that.
Riley, do you hold this?
Juliana, I see one.
I'm looking for like a crab or a shrimp.
Oh.
There's a shrimp right there.
There's one like right
That
by you.
guy, right? He's coming. Oh, he jumps back.
There we go.
Keep that
Trying to
up.
fresh chili. Who wants to hold it?
I'm good.
I can. Wait, what is it? What is it? A shrimp? It was a killie and then I dropped it. What?
You're okay.
It's just the ground.
She's
on the ground.
All right. Well,
It's fine. It's probably in the corner.
It's probably in the
She probably went practicing the deck.
Oh yeah. Or she? I think she dropped it in the water.
Well, it's gonna die, so. I caught it!
What did you catch?
I think Kelly, Dad, I caught a fish. I caught a shrimp too. I'm gonna
Go to Sonos, there's so much.
I'm gonna die. Jacqueline,
Juliana!
get a lot.
Jacqueline! Jacqueline! After you, can I catch one?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Give it to Jordan now. He didn't catch anything. I didn't catch anything. Yes, he did. Can I try to catch something, Bella? Jacqueline? Can I catch it? I got it! No, you didn't. Jellyfish! You caught a jellyfish? Yeah. Record it. I caught it.
I'm recording.
Touch it.
No,
it stings.
No way I'm touching that. But can I catch some now?
Got it. Who wants to hold
Callie,
it?
when I catch something, do you mind recording?
Can I try it? No.
Do you mind?
That was cool. Anything? That was cool. I caught a jellyfish here. Yeah. Do you want me to record it for you?
Yeah, just stand like right here. I don't want you dropping my phone. Yeah. Just make sure they can see what I got. Okay, I'm getting something. Alright, just don't go closer to the water than that. Because I don't want. Oh, there's like nothing here. We gotta wait. I see something. Oh, it's too fast.
I would scrape on the thing right there. I would scrape on the pole. I would go around the pole.
These guys are fast.
You need to be patient. I'm recording for him. Wait, no, I need to record for him. I need to get off.
Did I get it? Nope.
I know. I can't believe you caught a jellyfish. Don't get me on camera. Okay, sorry. We'll edit that out. Did you catch anything?
No, I didn't. I tried.
Just stay away from
There's a bunch here. They're coming.
Okay,
They're going like
I'm
towards
trying to stay
there.
away from the water, but also
Okay, don't go like any farther than where you are.
yeah, because
Go
we don't.
step a little bit back.
Yeah, we don't want to try.
I'm just nervous for dropping my phone.
Okay, we're trying to catch a crab.
I don't care what I catch. I just want to catch them. Make sure they see me.
Okay, we're trying to catch a crab here. Or a shrimp.
It's not a bee, it's a shrimp.
Is it real?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to catch
That
one.
is awesome. That's cool.
I'm being very quiet right now. Look, there's a bunch of.
Hold on, I didn't catch anything.
There's a bunch of killies over here.
You want it back? Don't fall in, I'm not coming in.
No, Levi, you're not gonna go. I'll show you
I think I got it.
A bunch of.
I got one.
What'd you get?
Here, stand back. What'd you get? Put the light on it.
Kelly, zoom in into it.
What'd you get? A shrimp?
Does the camera see it? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, you got two stuff.
What is it?
You got two killies.
Wait, I got two?
No,
The
you got
little
one
fish.
shrimp.
Yeah, he's jumping around.
You got one shrimp. Oh, you got two killies.
Two. I didn't even know.
Can I have the net?
Yeah, someone can do something now.
Can I?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.